Hey guys, it's a Bureau Creator, and look what I built. Oh wow, it's raining. So, I built a big giant creeper, and today in my YouTube video, we're going to explode this big giant creeper. So this is how I do it. Get all of these things out. Woo! Look at this. It's a big giant creeper. And look, there's even TNT inside of it. So, how are we gonna explode this creeper? Well, we're gonna explode it like this. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, my game is lagging. Oh, my game is lagging. Oh, that was so much. Oh my god. That exploded so much. Look at that. Do you see all this black stuff? That's not bedrock. This is stone. I'm just in a different kind of Minecraft, but this is actually stone. What if it actually hit bedrock? Oh my god, that would be sick. Hey, I found some iron. Nice. Is that emerald? I think so. What kind of ore is that? That looks so weird. Hey, spider, do you like it? Oh my god, look at all the water. Man, that's sick. Add. I hate add. Big head cat. Dude, did you guys see that? A cat with a big giant head. Oh my god. Dude. Guys, if you want to comment down below, I could probably make a different kind of mob. So, wow. Look how much it went. Oh my god. Oh, my game was lagging. Oh my god. Look at all the water. Even blocks are floating. Oh. Oh, I said that everything. Yup. So, see you guys next time. Comment down below if you want me to do a different kind of mob. So, and yeah. And let's go.